President Emerson Mnangagwa has skipped the ongoing United Nations General Assembly in New York, officially citing pressing commitments at home. However, observers say the real reason lies in the mounting political tension within ZANU-PF and fears of persecution of his allies by his deputy vice president Constantino Chiwenga. Salabina mashoko pankwa ine onokonzo observers say Mnangagwa dodged UN Assembly meeting to shoot allies from Chiwenga road was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tivina mnomo blanyo komchinzi. One political analyst noted the statement being pressing commitments is a cover. The truth is, Mnangagwa is under pressure. There is a deep mistrust within ZANU-PF, and he is wary of leaving the ground open for Chiwenga while he is away. Another observer argued that Mnangagwa's absence reflects growing instability in the ruling party. The factional battles are intensifying. The fears that while he is in New York, his loyalists could be politically targeted and sidelined by Chiwenga's camp, the analyst said. Meanwhile, ZANU-PF activist Levison Chambati publicly defended Mnangagwa's decision. President Emerson Mnangagwa is right to skip the UN General Assembly and focus on urgent national work at home. These gatherings are mostly ceremonial, with little attention given to Africa's voice, Chambati wrote. He further added, until Africa secures a permanent seat on the UN Security Council, our nations should consider sending senior officials instead of wasting resources on symbolic attendance. It's time Africa shows the world its dissatisfaction with the unequal setup. Despite Chambati's defense, questions remaining about whether the president's absence is truly about diplomatic protest or whether it reveals fractures at the heart of ZANU-PF. As one analyst summed it up, this is less about the UN, more about survival in Harare's corridors of power. Ndo mashoko aripo panguva inoyi. Mbotudze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinai mucomment section medu mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, channel on the bell icon.